pictures on with the.
What's up, guys? Have you made slime before? Because I haven't, but we're going to do it today. I just saw it on YouTube. Somebody did it. I've never done it before.
And if we do it wrong, please do send us instructions on how to do it.
I know. In the comments below, please.
We'll get it wrong.
Yeah. All right. Anyways, let's get to it. I don't know how this is gonna go because we're supposed to put borax in it, but I don't have that, so like I don't want
It
to
looks
touch
like
it.
just a liquid.
I don't
It's not
think that.
slime.
I think we're supposed to put the lotion in like after, but my dad's gonna get mad if we go in and tell him that.
Why?
Cause I don't know why.
Okay,
Like you're supposed to like mix it with your hands and stuff.
What?
I don't really want to do that. Holy cow! Yeah, we're totally not doing that.
Who needs hands when you got spoons, right?
Oh yeah, right. Yes, but you're supposed to use like mix it with a spoon and your hand. Wonder if we put some snow in it, what will happen? Like go grab a little piece of snow.
Hayden, it has to be white.
Yeah.
It's clearly white. Look at that. That's not white. No, clearly not white.
It's half black, half blue because they spray painted it.
As in like other kids, not us.
You two were with them.
With them, we didn't
Wait,
do it.
ready? Wait,
Okay.
snow is meltable. It just turned into water.
I know exactly.
Who cares?
Oops.
Let me see.
I'll go get another one.
Put some in there. Wonder how it's gonna do with snow in it. Like, put it in. Okay. Oh, wait. Oh, it smells pretty good because my dad's lotion. It smells really good, kind of.
It smells like
Oh, it's-
glue.
Yeah, but his lotion smells good and it's mixed with the glue. We mixed it like a lot.
Good thing.
The same.
Okay.
I just wanted to see if like the snow would make a different texture.
Really?
It probably will if we like grab it. This is gross.
Wait. Let me do something.
Is it just like putting your hand in glue? Like I don't know if that lotion is helping.
Did it work?
That.
Heck no. Does it look like it worked? God.
I want to put some more food coloring in.
Food coloring? Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Haven, I'm gonna put some more food coloring in.
Put more
Just
green.
wanna make
Here,
it-
can I put more green in? Can
Yeah.
I do it? Okay,
Putting a
here.
lot of blue in though. Okay, that's enough. All right. Now, Ab's gonna put some more green in there.
Okay, ready? There we go. How do I do this? So I just squeeze it?
this on something. Help me.
Wipe it in the snow.
Okay, so I screw.
I tried that.
Just like 3 drops.
3. There. Just,
Go.
3.
All right. The cap on here. All right, now we gotta mix it.
Ooh.
I wish it'd stay like that. Like, but
Yeah.
it doesn't. Now it's just making the same color again, isn't it?
It looks a
Kind
bit
of.
darker.
Looks a little bit.
Bit better.
Like if we put more blue in, it'll get like darker. But actually, yeah, that's darker. That's cool.
Yeah. If we put a little bit more green in, it would be perfect.
Let's
a little more green.
spaghetti sauce in there.
No, it's gonna make it red and soggy.
Well,
Putting so much
not if
blue
you
in here.
put food coloring in it.
Blue? You're putting blue?
Yeah, to make it darker.
Darker? Dude, we want more green too.
Okay, I'll put
No.
like 3 drops. Not yet. Don't start yet. There we go. All right, I'll mix it again.
Help me, everybody help me.
Woo! Yeah.
Oh, it's time to eat after.
Oh.
Okay.
Here, you can continue.
Well, I guess we have to end this video because
Bye.
we're done. Why?
Don't end it.
Yes, we are.
No.
Why?
Because you're still able to do this. It doesn't look like it'll turn out pretty slime anyway.
Well, I think it's good enough for now. But anyways, here, say bye.
Suckers.
Bye. Okay.
All right.
Sorry. Oh
Um,
my God.
I'm just gonna
One
keep
more
mixing.
green.
Here.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, it's pretty dark.
let's see.
All right. Like, subscribe.
Let that sit
Yeah, I'll let it sit while I'm at wrestling.
out here.
No, inside. So just Haven, right? Comment down below how it went for you guys. And if we do it wrong, put the instructions in the comment down below in the comments. So like, subscribe, comment down below if we did it wrong. Yeah, probably. Tell us the instructions if we did it wrong, and comment down below how you guys did it and if it turned out really cool. But I bet it turned out better if you guys used borax, because borax works better. But like, subscribe, comment down below if it worked for you guys and how we did it. If we did it wrong, put the instructions down. So see you guys later. Bye. Alright guys, so we didn't end the video. We're gonna let the slime sit for a while, and so tomorrow after school we will grab it and look at it and see what it's like. So we'll see you guys then. Alright, so what's up guys, we're back. So it is tomorrow. I don't know how to say that. Yesterday we made the slime. Today it's after school. We left it overnight and we left it all day long. So we're gonna see we don't know what it looks like because we have it in a backpack. So we're gonna check it out and see what happened to it. Yeah. Here comes Haven with it.
Okay, let's turn around here.
No, don't open it yet. Close it, close it, close it. We're gonna do it up there.
Fine.
I got it. Let's go.
Okay. Alright. So let's see here.
Night 2 of the experiment. Hopefully to be successful.
Hopefully.
There's
Holy cow. Oh, dude, it leaked.
crap, it did.
Oh, crap, dude.
Crap, it did.
Feel inside the bag.
Oh my god.
Where? Oh, dude. I didn't think it would leak.
Is it
How did it leak?
It is not any different. Here, stick your finger in there with me.
No.
Dude, we're both gonna do it.
You two do it.
Nothing.
Maybe it has to sit without a lid.
No, it's not gonna change.
How do you know?
Because I know.
I mean, dude, that did get all over the thing.
Dude, that's not good.
Ready? Let's look at
What's that? Dude,
What?
crap!
What?
What is this?
Oh, that's for my
Ooh, pasty!
No, I can clean it.
Yeah, and clean your hand while you're at it, too.
There's Anakin. No, just leave him. He's going to Tyler's. They're probably going to Turtle Beach. Man, this is kind of a fail.
Kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
dude,
think I should-
you should try it without
I think we should mix it up a little more and put some more lotion in.
Maybe. Wait, what about that material you said you didn't?
Yeah, I don't have it. So
That's probably what makes it less liquidy.
yeah. I'm gonna go stick my hand in the snow. Yeah. I'm gonna rollerblade over there. Woo! Boom. Okay, ready? Here we go. Ah! Okay, ready? Your shadow is so scary. Not really at all, actually. What? No. Is literally gone.
I got some on my hands last night.
Ooh, with this part.
Okay, right off.
Awesome, day 2.
Oh my god. What? My hands are so cold. I'm putting in ice. It's not snow anymore, it's all ice.
I know.
Alright, well, I don't know what we should do with it now. What do we...
Hey peeps.
Holy...
Get over here!
Anakin! He's gone. Let me see this. Dude, this is... I hate when he does that. It's so creepy.
He's so freaking creepy. Dude, he's gone. He's gone, you're good. You're good, he's gone. Yeah. Dude,
Dude, you scared us.
crap.
And this other kid.
Okay, so tell me.
Dude.
Did you murder that kid's life by scaring him? Yes, you did. You don't have to use that sort of words anymore.
Videotaping me?
Oh, yeah, we're doing a video, a YouTube video. And you just came.
So this guy has 20 million.
No, dude, don't tell him. It's fine.
Also,
Abby, just leave him alone. Just don't make fun of that kid. Just be nice to him.
you were telling me.
Oh, so this is the person that was telling him to leave earlier.
Okay, be quiet.
I understand.
Anakin, can you stop like scaring us like that? It's so creepy.
I didn't
Don't do that.
It's not.
Yeah, it
Are you
scares
an
me.
FBI agent or not?
Dude.
Yeah.
Well,
Alright,
what are we gonna do with the slime, Haven?
I don't know.
We don't know.
recommend putting whatever was released fluid, like.
Well, maybe I'll pour like a little water. I'll put some more lotion in there.
Okay.
I can go grab my baseball bat.
Here, get in the light so we can see you, and so people don't think you're some creepy guy.
Even though you're in like.
He's just a normal kid. 6th grader.
Here, point it at him again. He's just going like that.
What's in the backpack anyways? Oh God. That means we should leave.
Oh God.
Oh God. He's pulling out the sword.
Oh God. Oh God. He said.
Oh God.
So wanna go there?
Dude, look at the cap. Like, Av, look at the cap.
Dude.
That's such a cool color, I think. It's slime.
Yeah. Now all I have to do is dump it on.
You break that?
I don't care.
Going out.
Will you record this? What? Well, I mean, it's because we put food coloring in it.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Me and my brother gotta go.
All right. It's glue. It's Elmer's glue. We put Elmer's glue in it. That's how you make slime. It's gross. Dude, this is for my GoPro and it got slime on it. Do you have like paper towels or something
Maybe. Yes, I do. But
right now? In your backpack?
no, of course not. I don't know.
Okay. Bye, Haven.
All right. Well, I'm gonna go put on my gas mask.
You have a gas mask?
Yeah, it's real.